Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Today I'm going to walk you through my pieces that I've cut, but I'm not going to sew the dress today. Next week we'll start the dress. I'm going to concentrate on the purse only today. Okay, so it's Simplicity 4265. Simplicity 4265. Okay, so today is going to be short and sweet, just the purse. Now, for the purse, you need 12 inches zipper, and the dress, you need 16. Now, these are the pieces that I've cut already. Let me bring it down and then you can see it. This is the facing for the dress for the straps. Okay, so this is the facing for the bodice. This is the straps. I added a half an inch all around. This is the belt, my contrast belt. This is the bodice front and the bodice back. As usual, my zipper seam allowance is going to be 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. So that means I added 3/8 to the center back and 3/8 to the skirt itself. Okay, so hold on. Ow! I'm always poking myself with these new pins. They're very sharp. Now, this is the skirt. It's part of the dress. Again, it's 2 panels for the back and 1 piece for the front. So these are the pieces. Now, let's talk about the purse. This is the handle. That's that piece, and I've sewn it already and top stitch both sides. Okay, now this is the purse itself. So I have sewn the darts. This is my lining, and I've sewn the dart, and this is the fabric, the same as the dress. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to the machine and I'm gonna continue from there. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now take one of the purse piece, it doesn't matter whether front, back, and then get your zipper, have it upside down. I'll show it to you in a minute. I'm not going to open the zipper so then you can see you understand what I'm doing. You can base this with needle and thread, or you can use the machine to base it, and then you take it from there. See, the zipper is upside down. Okay. So now let's stitch. Let me change my zip, put on my zipper foot. Ooh, and the time is going so fast again. Don't forget your back stitch. I'm just basting it with the machine. Oh, the dot, you press it towards center. Okay, so you see how it is now. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. Okay, now I'll put the strap on, and then the lining, I put the right side of the lining to the right side of the main fabric. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and then I'm gonna just stitch it. I'm gonna stitch it and do the same to the other side. Again, the right side of the lining to the right side of the main fabric, so the zipper is in between, so it's more like a sandwich. Okay, and I'll be right back. Just a straight stitch, so I'll be right back. Okay, this is it, and this is, so what I'm gonna do is open these two up, and I'm gonna stitch from the side of the lining and leave about 3-4 inches space and sew it all around, and I'll be back again. Okay, this is it. After, or even before I stitch all around and left a space to turn it inside out, leave the zipper open a little bit, and then I push all the seam allowance at the zipper end towards the main fabric, edge stitch it, and then I went all around. Now I'm gonna flip it over, not flip it over, flip the right side out. Don't forget to trim your zipper. And it will be all done. And then clip all the corners. Not clips. All the corners, and then turn the right side out. And that will be it. Now this, I'm going to fold it, press it, and then I'm going to finish stitching the open space. Okay, so it goes, there we go, and it goes in. So this is it, and this is the wrong side. So this is it for today, and then next week we'll start the dress. So let me zip it up. I'm going to press it all around, and that will be it. So happy sewing. I'll see you next week. We'll start the dress. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See ya.